We are standing here in the Gallery of Modern Music History to explore a legendary audiovisual masterpiece. Today, we are diving into Kieran J. Callinan's 2017 track, Big Enough. What starts as a classic spaghetti western homage quickly transforms into one of the most famous viral internet memes of the 21st century. I invite you to step into this desolate, neon-lit desert and look up at the sky. Let your eyes and ears focus on the sheer absurdity of the artists involved. Front and center is Kieran J. Callinan, an eccentric genius known for his outrageous fashion and unpredictable performance art. Standing next to him in cowboy gear is his close friend Alex Cameron, an indie pop musician famous for playing the bizarre persona of a failed entertainer. And listen to that beautiful, haunting whistle. It is not a synthesizer. It is performed live by Molly Lewis, who holds the incredibly rare job title of Professional Whistler. Together, this trio sets up a serious cinematic atmosphere, only to completely shatter it with a heavy, pulsating EDM beat. The most profound interaction here happens in the sky. Kidin needed a raw, masculine roar for the climax, so he emailed Australian rock legend Jimmy Barnes. Without explaining the song, Kidin simply asked Barnes to scream like a monkey or a pig for 5 minutes straight. Barnes left the studio thinking the song would be a complete disaster. Yet, seeing himself superimposed as a giant, translucent, screaming cowboy over the mountains left even his own family in hysterics. That raw confusion and comedic brilliance radiate through the entire track. Historically, this track became the explosive, screaming cowboy meme, but there is another fascinating layer. During the chaotic EDM drop, you will hear Kidin suddenly start shouting the names of random countries from all over the world. Why? Because the town simply isn't big enough. He playfully abandons the traditional American Wild West narrative to turn the song into an exaggerated, bizarrely sincere anthem for global unity. He is literally inviting the entire planet to join this ridiculous, borderless dance party. Finally, observe the complete composition of this video. It is a razor-thin balance between B-movie absurdity and genuine musical talent. The desolate desert, the booming electronic dance music, the ethereal whistling, and that unforgettable scream all collide perfectly. It makes you ask, what on earth am I watching? Yet forces you to hit replay. Please, enjoy the wild, global ride of this eccentric masterpiece.
To have a friend around, we could trade in all our silver bullets and buy a patch of dust. This town might just be big enough for all of us. Australia to America and Russia and China, all of Asia. Let me Europe and Great Britain, oh Canada, in Croatia and Serbia, Kenya, get it, India, it's serious in Syria. Believe in us, Bolivia. We're gonna be big enough for Africa, South Africa, South Korea, North Korea, Algeria, Nigeria, Antarctica, around the equator.